Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with WooCommerce affiliates, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WooCommerce section in the left sidebar. Click on Settings from the WooCommerce menu. In the Settings menu, select the Affiliates tab. Ensure that the affiliate system is enabled. Now, navigate to the Affiliate Registrations section. Customize the registration settings to suit your needs. Decide whether to manually approve new affiliates. Set the commission rates for your affiliates. Choose how payments will be processed for affiliate earnings. Next, add any necessary terms and conditions for your affiliate program. Then, save your changes to the settings. Now, go to Users in the WordPress dashboard. Click Add New to create a new affiliate account. Fill in the required details for the new user. Assign the affiliate role to this user. Once complete, click Add New User to finalize. Your new affiliate can now log in and access their dashboard. Provide them with the link to their dashboard for easy access. Encourage them to promote your products using their unique affiliate links. Track the performance of your affiliates regularly through WooCommerce reports. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.